Hey guys, Justin AZRC here. I'm gonna show you a little mod that you can do on your MMX8s ESC. This will also work for your the Max 6 as well, and it'll also work for the MMX and just about any other ESC that has this little design and the way this fan right here floats on top. So what happens is you have a space in there that's about the thickness of this here. It's like a neoprene spacer. We use them in the cabinet industry or the woodworking industries, like door bumpers. So if you take that and stick it right there on your fan. I actually trimmed the ones that I put on my other ones so it's smaller contact area to keep the heat sink open as far as possible. What that does is that keeps that fan from slamming down into the ESC on those heat sink fins and knocking out those blades, because these three little deals right here is not enough to keep that fan steady. It flexes. So once it flies down onto that heatsink, that's what happens. This is a Max 6 after one run. I didn't do that mod, and as soon as I got another fan, did that mod. I have yet to break it, and I've done the same on my Castle MMX8s. I did it before I even ran it, so I didn't break anything. So either way, it works great. I was going to take the ESC off and show you guys, but I remembered that the box had the drawing on it. So hopefully that makes enough sense. If you guys need me to, drop some comments. If you need me to take it off, it's no big deal. All I need to do is pop a few zip ties, pop it off, and I can show you. And I have the same thing, like I said, on my Max 6, which is inside my Kraton, which says Techno. So it's a really good idea to do that before you take off bashing. If you're doing street runs, you don't have to worry about it. But if you're going to be jumping and going over rough terrain, I highly recommend doing this, or you're going to be replacing that fan very quickly. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope this helps, and get to bashing. See you soon.